Okay, I want to make this video just to show everyone everything in Schoology has this microphone. This microphone can be your absolute best friend. Give you an example. The other day, a kid emailed me and or messaged me in Schoology right here in the system and said, "Hey, it was my birthday last week." So I immediately went and says, "Hey, happy birthday." Then I clicked this microphone, hit audio recording, and sang her happy birthday. And then she got to hear it. Now, she may never recover from that, but she's young. She has time to get over hearing me singing happy birthday. But the point is, let's say your kids all just took a quiz and, three or four of the kids had some specific issues that you want to give feedback on. You can take the notes from the quiz on paper or put the quiz on one side of your screen, split your screen, whatever, and then go into the members part of your class and just check off the kids' names. Maybe three of them got the same thing wrong. You could just send it to all three of those kids and their parents through the messaging system. But what you can do is you can press this microphone, hit audio and video or just audio, and then you can record you visually. Now, what the parents and kids say they want more of is FaceTime with the teachers, individual stuff, and personalized stuff. This is super personalized and super direct. You can have the whiteboard and show them what they got wrong right here, right? So you can say like, oh, you all flipped the numerator and the denominator, whatever, this is what we meant. Show them that and hit send, and you've just sent that feedback directly to that student. It's difficult to send feedback on the actual test quiz itself. It's super easy to do feedback on an assignment in Schoology, but you can use the messaging system and the video feature, and it's quicker just to speak the words you want them to hear rather than type them out anyways. So once they get in the habit of clicking on these little video and voice tags, be in great shape. So you record your response, hit attach or insert, and then it goes right to the student. This little microphone is in almost every part of Schoology has this. So anyways, let me know if you're using this to effect and it's really working for you.